In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through Chapter 12, Privatisation. The definition of privatisation is the act of selling a company or activity controlled by the government to private investors. So the question is, why do governments privatise? They do this for economic efficiency, as private firms are driven by profit, which reduces waste, increases efficiency, resulting in higher levels of profitability. And due to more private firms, they will pay more corporation tax, which will generate significant revenue for the government. It will also introduce more competition within the market and stop political interference in daily decisions. The effect of privatization on consumers is that they benefit from lower prices due to competition. They also get better choice and improved customer service, and the quality of the goods and services will increase. And this is all because each and every single private firm is trying to win a larger market share. However, if a firm becomes a private monopoly, consumers will then be disadvantaged as they get higher prices and lower quality regarding their services, as the firm has got no real competitors. The impact on workers is that they will get paid. Some will receive performance-related pay, meaning that the better they do at work, the more money they shall receive, and the higher wages and the opportunity to buy shares in the company, which incentivize them to work even harder for the firm. However, private owners will cut operational costs to maximize their profits, as you would, as it is a private company. So workers, unfortunately, will face significant risk of unemployment, longer working hours, and worsening working conditions. In the case for businesses will have the freedom to innovate, expand globally, and make independent commercial decisions. And these decisions will be highly creative and aligned with the consumer needs and wants. And this goes all the way back to the reason of profits. They are also able to raise funds for new investment easily through the stock market. However, private businesses also get pressure from shareholders to deliver short-term profits. If the business does not perform, investors will sell their shares and the stock price will tank. And they also become vulnerable to hostile takeovers from rival companies. Although not terribly accurate, no private firm in their right mind will put over 50% of their company in the stock market. And lastly, the effect on privatization on the government. The government majorly benefits from revenue from the initial sale of the asset to the private firms. However, they permanently lose any future revenue that the business might be generating. When I say business, I mean the government-owned business before it was privatized. And if the new private firm increases its prices or cuts jobs, which increases unemployment, there will be massive public backlash, as these are not the aims and objectives of the government. I hope that helped. I hope you guys have a good day. Bye-bye.